Alright, I forgot to show you that in the other video that you need to check these on, replace buffer, ray trace. And that's all cool. And this one, I'm going to save that to another buffer, global color 1. Hopefully this will work. So that means that I also need to activate these guys. I'm not sure if this one should be ticked on. I don't think I need to. Okay, and then I'm going to save that buffer to location. Alright, save. Can use PNG24 on that one. Right. I think this should work. I'll just save it because it has a huge tendency to crash. So as you can see, I hooked it out of the color on the pixel filter, but hopefully it will also save the buffer that I created. And yeah, there it is. But all the settings have to be right for it to save it out. Yeah. So if I were to create another buffer, then I could also save that here. That would be buffer 2. I guess I could just try to create another buffer. See how that works. Again, so that worked all right, so I'm just going to save it. And I don't know, what kind of buffer should I create? I guess I could create an occlusion buffer. I guess there are lots of nice, cool buffers to create. Yeah, let's go with a occlusion buffer. There's lots of stuff you really can read about, but I just want to try something really simple here. So open this one and occlusion. I think I'll just go with, let's see. Right. So if I hook that into global alpha, no, global color 3, let's see what happens. Again, I'm just going to take all of these on. Because it's too easy really to forget one of them. But do note that this adds render time, or calculation time rather. So I'm just going to activate all of them. Would be nice to have activate all, but again, I'm doing this in 11.6. And that would be buffer 3 actually. Okay, let's save because we know this can crash. Hit F9. Yeah, there we go, crash. But we did save it, so I should be able now, I guess, just to hit F9. But actually, I just want to see if everything is alright. Node image filter. Okay, so this got saved, and this one also should be alright. Let's try that over again. It's difficult to say why it does crash, or I mean, just after having changed a few settings. So hopefully if you fire this up over again, like I'm doing now, firing up layout over again, it will not crash. Let's see. Well, okay, so far so good. Yeah, and there it is. And we got the ambient occlusion pass. Alright, so that's wrapping up video 1 and video 2 on DPont's what's it called? DPont's multipass rendering using pixel filter and nodal pixel and nodal image filter. So both of those need to work in tandem with each other, or not really tandem, but you need to hook the buffers into the nodal image filter in order to make it work. I know that's a bit strange, but it's just a hack really, so that's why it does work at all. So so that's in 11.6, and it works somewhat differently in LightWave 2019, but I don't think they finished the work on the buffers in LightWave 2019, so this might still be of use. I'm not sure. Other people will have to cover that, but anyway, this is how you can do it in 11.6.